Hello, good evening. We're live here at Luigi's Barbershop. Here's our new barber. What are you doing, Luigi?
I'm paying some barber and need this one kutsuyo.
What's that kutsilyo for?
It's like anything like this
Ah.
and like this and I thought it was a song surprise. Ta-da!
Ta-da! What's that?
It's like
Okay. Sige, you start na.
now let's cut this awesome hair. Oh, so short.
Awesome hair? My hair is awesome? Oh my goodness.
Oh, and there's a cockroach. Cockroach.
What? Nag-unsa man ang cockroach sa akong hair?
This gone irritated. Oh, but why is it? Did the cockroach get in my hair?
What's wrong with that? Sige na. Faster na kayo. We'll be eating dinner na after you cut my hair. Why? What's that? What's that? What's that?
Oh, it's easy like this.
The shaver? The razor?
Yeah, razor.
Oh no. What's that? Okay.
They can hook on this.
Uh-huh. Oh. Shout out, Papa. Call on. Shout out, Agay! Shout out, Papa. Call out, Papa. 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 Okay. What's that? It tickles.
And yes,
Ay, sakit akong liog.
it is here.
Sige, more.
Get back!
What's that? Sumula ko yung grass cutter. Okay. Are you done?
No, I need to cut this one.
You cut it.
The how cutting work is not sharp enough.
It's not sharp enough.
We just beard.
Okay, go faster. I'm hungry na. What's that?
It's a beard.
Okay, oh no, I'm scared. Oh. Okay. You're a good barber. You did good. Alright.
And how we need to make you look like outside.
You make me look like?
I'm gonna need this one. Oh, ayan din.
Lain na ni mga gagamitan. No?
I found my cutter.
Oh.
This is my cutter.
Okay. Do you have to look down?
This is
Nagkaon na ka, te? Kaon na ko na diha. Naunsa man yung isa diri nga.
my back.
Finish it. Faster na. Unsa naman na akong buhok eh. Wa na. Magahi na bugna na lang sudan. Makuan.
Ay, my cutter.
Pabugnawi siya, te. Dalai, ano yung diri basig ganahan siya kaon.
And it.
Hoy, mahog gani ka ng bangko gani. Huwag ka sa top na. Agay!
Ay, sorry, I just for your knees. For your knees.
Oh! Look at my bangs. It looks awful.
Mama, I give you a high five.
Sige, high five. Lain na sa kong hair doon ay. Okay, finishing na. Finishing touches na. Okay, go.
I can need this. Oh yeah, I can need finish touching.
Finish touches. Finishing touches na. Almost done. Oh my god, what a hair. Are you enjoying your work?
I need my baby.
Oh, yung mahulog. Gani. Kuyawan, mo gamit eh.
And now.
And now, the...
hot dog.
Sige na. Kimpit din.
What's
that? Isa na. Isa na.
Cutter. It's the grinder.
Grinder?
Yeah.
Ano, naabot mag-grinder ang panggupit.
Yes, it's an Ingo.
Angle?
Grinder?
Grinder?
What? Ingo cutter.
Angle cutter. Sige, go na!
H cutter.
Agay! Unsa man na eh? Hello to viewers. Say hi to them.
Die.
Yeah, tell them what you're doing. Ah! What are you doing? Yeah. Done! Di na, gutom na ko. Gutom mga ako na tal. Sutsa na
But
ako.
not done.
Ah, kadugay pid anang.
His touch is not good.
Ah, fish touch is not good. So, mura mag-grass cutter na imong gikuan. Giputol. Mura mag-grass na imong giputol. Ano, tiyo lang ko yan. Come on.
Not good.
Okay, good na na. Okay, good man kayo. A good barber.
Not
Diba?
good. I did something to bye-bye.
Hmm?
Elizabeth.
Ana. Okay, done. Gina.
Bulog na ka.
Wow! Gina, i-design akong hair, be. I-style akong hair. Go.
I just boom!
Tara na.
Bump into the tablet.
I'm done na.
I'm not
Thank
done.
you.
You're not done. Thing. Mama, I'm not done.
Okay. Ay, unsa man na eh. Bye na. Bye-bye na sa atong friends.
Bye-bye. What?
Ah? Kasi ron.
Eh.